Pivot Bio has introduced a new microbial product that captures nitrogen from the air, converts it to a form corn can use, and then applies this nutrient directly to the corn plant daily throughout the growing season. This new product, called Pivot Bio Proven 40, consists of nitrogen-producing microbes that are applied during planting. Once the seeds and microbes are together in the ground, the roots have immediate access to the Pivot Bio Proven 40 microbes. As the seed germinates and the roots reach out into the soil, the microbes adhere to the root structure. The microbes and roots quickly form a mutually beneficial relationship, capture nitrogen gas from the air, convert it to ammonia, and feed it directly to the corn roots. Farmers can be confident with Pivot Bio Proven 40 as the foundation of their nitrogen program. It does not wash away during weather events, nor does it volatilize into the air. It stays put, weather or not.